So my name is Riley Shea, and I am a Jumpstart transfer student mentor. A year ago, just at this time, I was in your exact same place. I was about to transfer to a new school, start a new life as a student at Appalachian State University. Out of high school, I was given the opportunity to play college football at Monroe University, just down the road, down the mountain, as some people say, in Hickory. I knew I didn't want to pass up that opportunity, but in the back of my mind, I knew that Appalachian was always there. Just a quick show of hands. How many people have ever used a directory at the airport or even perhaps the mall? Just a quick show of hands. So basically everybody. Well, consider that situation. When you're lost and confused and needed to know where to go, and apply that with us, the transfer student mentors. Because that is what we are here for. We are committed to helping you have the best possible life here at Appalachian. There's a quote here. Research shows that students who are active and engaged on campus are happier and perform better overall. Now, I'm sure as transfer students, you probably heard that at least once or twice. But you know, many times before. However, here at Appalachian, we make getting involved easy. As well as give fellow students like you all and myself plenty of opportunities and a very well-versed selection of opportunities to choose from. There are over 300 clubs and organizations here at Appalachian that you can get involved with that are open to all students. And if for whatever reason you can't find the one club that fits what you're looking for, then you can start your own, because that is highly encouraged here. It's easy, and you can do exactly what you want to do here at Appalachian. With that said, our Club Expo which gives you the chance to explore all the clubs we have here at Appalachian, will be held Tuesday, January 20th. And I think that that's very important because it will give everybody the opportunity to see everything that we have to offer and give you the opportunity as well, if you don't find anything, to get it started early in the semester and find people who are willing to do the same. I really am truly happy to see all of you and have the opportunity to not only speak to you, but spend the rest of the day with you all as well, because Appalachian is such a fantastic place. We have such a great sense of community here, where we welcome people from all aspects and different walks of life. Whether you are on campus or really just poking around anywhere in the Watauga County, I believe that you will experience that sense of community I am talking about. And if I were a betting man, I would honestly say that it's probably not going to take very long. I just wanted to thank everybody for your time and attention, and if you have any further questions today or at any point in your Appalachian career, never hesitate to ask, because, if you don't ask, then you got to get involved, and it's so simple, guys, and it's very fun. Also, I would just like to make sure that you guys check out the Jumpstart Facebook page. It's a great resource to transfer students like yourselves to ask questions, to stay connected, and it's only offered to transfer students, which is our big thing, because everybody's in the same boat, and it just gives everybody an opportunity to stay connected and stay together. And lastly, from one college student to another, I made this great decision to transfer to this awesome university, and I really never looked back. And